Every enterprise has its superheroes. Data scientists are the math whizzes. They give the organization the ability to fly with Python and R-based machine learning models that power competitive advantage. The League of Data Scientists knows everything about the latest open source technology innovation and how to put it to work. Their ally? Team IT. With protection superpowers, IT casts force fields around data science workflows, so nothing gets in or out without their sign-off. Their mission: keep everything safe, governed, and auditable. Team IT and the League of Data Scientists are united against a common enemy: vulnerability. From minor bugs to serious security gaps, vulnerability knows how to exploit open source software and can cause real problems in an enterprise. It breaks audit chains, opens the door to unauthorized users, and creates havoc. Fortunately, they have a secret weapon: Anaconda Team Edition. Anaconda Team Edition fuels Team IT's force field. It's a repository of thousands of data science and machine learning packages, curated by Conda experts, with vulnerability screening in place, so IT can curate, safelist, and block packages based on CVE scores, alerts, and reports. Team IT stays in charge of the who, what, when, and where of the data science lifecycle, keeping the enterprise safe and secure. And data scientists get to use the latest and greatest tools from the open source brain trust. Anaconda Team Edition. Powerful protection to help the enterprise fly. Good guys prevail.